get back in the quickest.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, stand up.
Hey, nice one, John. Well done.
Alright.
Go.
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to check yourself.
Let's come over the pedal. Hold on for it. Alright, so you're going to lead to that side.